Please like and subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you. Welcome children. Today we are going to draw mango. Are you ready?
Okay.
Do you know something about mango, children? Okay, I will tell you. Mango is national fruit of India. It is also known as the king of fruit. It is very sweet and tasty fruit. Mango is very good for our health. It comes in summer. It is yellow in color. I like to eat mangoes. Mango is my favorite fruit. Do you like to eat mango, children? Now our drawing is going to complete. Your homework is to fill color in this like this.